Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the port Swigger with the Wireshark, or like in a better way comparing a Burp suit with the Wireshark. So the Wireshark is a network packet analyzer that captures and inspects raw network traffic, focus on low-level traffic analysis. On the Burp suit, it's a web vulnerability scanner and penetration testing toolkit that works at the application layer, HTTP, HTTPS. So focus is for finding and exploiting web app vulnerabilities. Now, the Wireshark is very good for packet capture and analysis, troubleshooting network performance issues, inspecting protocol behavior, performance network forensics, and you can use it to suspect a network level issue. On the other hand, with the Burp suit, it's web application penetration testing, SQL injection, XSS, CSRF, IDOR, SSRF, intercepting, modifying, automated vulnerability scanning, fusing inputs, also session, authentication, testing, brute force testing even. So this is something that you're going to actually get with it. And then you're going to have like how they complement each other. So Wireshark shows you the raw packets, who talked to whom, what protocol were used, and what the data was exchanged. On the other hand, with the Burp suit, lets you actively interact with the web app. So you just want to use Wireshark when you need a deep packet level insight into what's happening on the network, and you want to use the Burp suit when you want to test the security of the web application at the HTTP, HTTPS level. So that's pretty straightforward answer for you. Hope it provided you value, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.